Globally, life has changed for everyone as we face the distressing situation of the coronavirus. The following videos were created to encourage parents, teachers, students, and other stakeholders to keep our children engaged as we encourage remote learning while they are at home. The videos were created by the OECS USAID Early Learners Program St. Vincent and the Grenadines through the Ministry of Education, National Reconciliation and Information. They are intended to be shared on social platforms. Michaelia Days and Jenny Sandy, students of the St. Mary's Primary School, shared these important messages with parents and fellow students.
I want to encourage all the parents to help your children with their schoolwork. Right now I'm doing some schoolwork. You can use YouTube or even their books. So I'm encouraging you that you help your children so they could remember what they learned from school. Reading. R. Remember to read. E. Every chance you get. A. Avoid just playing games on the net. D. Do use your time wisely each day. I. Interesting memories you can create along the way. N. New things to learn and places to explore. G. Goals to achieve more and more. Reading is fun.
One of our ELP coordinators, Admira Walker, wrote an extempo calypso sung by her son, Mayanje Walker. We utilized the resources that we had and took up the Caribbean Extempo Challenge to send positive COVID messages to educators. Here is Mayanje Walker.
Now the world is in a crisis and everyone trying not to mix. We simply cannot throw hands in the air. We must still show our students we care. So tell me, what is the new thing? It seems to be remote learning. So teachers of ELP and all, we got to heed to this call. Parala param param pam param. Para param param pam param. Para param param pam param. Pam 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 param. Get your device and be ready. It's time to get computer savvy. Those unfortunately without device, for them we need to think twice. How about a TV program? This should reach each and everyone. Maths, science and social studies, language, health and all like these. Parara param param pam param. Para param param pam param. Para param param pam param. Pam 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 param. So come on everyone, don't ever forget the reading plan. Parents, teachers, students, do your part as we try to make our mark. Principals, SEOs and EOs, ELP coordinator, those are not close. We all have to walk the plan and help the Ministry of Education. Para param param pam param. Para param param pam param.
Our ELP team also came together to share some key messages with our parents. Take a look.
Hi! A message from St. Vincent and the Grenadines ELP.
Hello parents. Your children are at home now due to the COVID-19 pandemic.
Please try and look over your children. Make sure that they are doing what is supposed to be done.
I urge you to spend more time with them. Sing, read, play games, chat with them, read to them. See them read, learn, grow.
Students, as we go through these uncertain times, we ask you to play your part so we have a healthy start.
Embrace the change. Get on board with the teachers. We can only get through this together.
Read, learn, grow. Whatever device you use, computer, tablet, or phone, just do it at home.